Have you lot come to hear like the hits, or have you come to hear some of the new Pisces material? Okay, good. We are going to play a few songs that I'm sure people want to hear, but it's not very often I get to showcase new material 6 albums in, and I know people want to hear the obvious ones, but it'd be great to showcase you these songs. Some people have, well, actually nobody's heard them. They're out on Friday, which is very exciting. Yeah, and we're going to break them down. They're going to be kind of acoustic vibe, so you'll get to really hear the songs tonight. But funny enough, I've just waffled on about doing new songs. I'm going to play Bittersweet Love now. But your body's got me feeling under pressure, babe. Tell me lies, every night when I'm drowning in your pleasure. It feels electric, babe. So deep, it's in my veins. I feel the pain, so please don't play those games. Don't play with me. Just a bittersweet love, not your bittersweet love. I need just a bittersweet love, not your bittersweet. You and me, just a bittersweet love, not your bittersweet. You and me, just a bittersweet love, not your bittersweet. Eulogize about the way you look in the red lights. You're a killer. You're here to thrill, babe.